If your kitchen counter is constantly wet, cluttered, and somehow always running out of space right after you wash dishes, you're definitely not alone. And honestly, most dish racks don't make it any better. So today we're taking a close look at the Sayzh Expandable Dish Drying Rack, a kitchen organizer that's designed to fix two very common problems at once: limited counter space and messy water drainage. This is aimed at people with small to medium kitchens, apartment living, or anyone who just wants a cleaner, more efficient dish drying setup without overcomplicating things. Right away, the design feels more thoughtful than your average dish rack. It has a clean, modern black finish with a mix of coated metal wire and stainless steel guardrails, so it doesn't look out of place sitting on your counter. The expandable frame is the standout feature here. It can stretch wider when you have more dishes and shrink back down when you don't. That flexibility makes it feel less like a fixed tool and more like something that adapts to your routine. The raised guardrails along the sides also give it a slightly more secure feel, especially when you're stacking plates or bottles that might otherwise tip over. In terms of build quality, it strikes a nice balance between lightweight and sturdy. It's not overly heavy, so moving it around or cleaning underneath isn't a hassle, but it doesn't feel flimsy either. The anti-rust coating is important here because dish racks deal with constant moisture, and this one seems built to handle that over time without developing that worn-out, rusty look you see in cheaper options. The silicone feet underneath help keep it stable and prevent scratching, which is a small detail but makes a difference in everyday use. What really matters, though, is how it performs once you actually start using it. And this is where the drainage system stands out. Instead of letting water pool under your dishes or drip randomly across the counter, the sloped tray guides water directly toward a spout that drains into the sink. It sounds simple, but it solves one of the most annoying problems with traditional racks. Your counter stays dry, and you're not constantly wiping up after every wash. The expandable design also proves useful in real life. On lighter days, you can keep it compact so it doesn't take up unnecessary space. But after cooking a big meal or having guests over, you can extend it to handle more plates, bowls, and utensils without feeling cramped. It's one of those features that you don't think you need until you actually use it, and then it becomes hard to go back. The utensil holder is another practical addition. It's divided into sections, so you're not just throwing forks and spoons into one crowded space. The drainage holes help everything dry faster, and since it's detachable, you can clean or reposition it easily, depending on how your counter is set up. It's a small upgrade over basic designs, but it adds to the overall convenience. Now, to keep things honest, there are a few trade-offs. While the expandable feature is useful, the overall capacity still depends on the base size, so if you have a large family or wash a lot of dishes at once, it might still feel a bit limited. Also, while the materials are rust-resistant, long-term durability will depend on how well you maintain them, especially if you live in a humid environment. And if you're someone who prefers ultra-minimal setups with no visible racks, this still takes up counter space, even in its compact form. Compared to other dish racks in this price range, this one stands out mainly because of its flexibility and drainage system. Basic racks are usually cheaper but lack proper water management, which leads to messy counters. On the higher end, you'll find larger, more complex systems with multiple tiers, but they often take up more space and feel bulky. This one sits comfortably in the middle. It's practical, adaptable, and doesn't overwhelm your kitchen. So who is this really for? If you're working with limited counter space and want something that keeps your kitchen cleaner without adding complexity, this is a solid choice. It's especially useful for small households, apartment kitchens, or anyone tired of dealing with water puddles after washing dishes. But if you need something for heavy-duty, large-scale dish drying every day, you might want to consider a bigger setup. At the end of the day, this is one of those products that improves your daily routine in small but noticeable ways. Less mess, better organization, and a bit more flexibility when you need it. If you want to check the latest price or see how it fits your kitchen setup, you'll find the link in the description below. And if this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.